Hi everyone, welcome to the Coding with Kids channel. Today we are going to describe how to start a Spring Boot project with Java. Okay, let's all are going to the Start Spring Boot IO website. This is a simple way to start a Spring Boot project. Okay, everyone go to the Start Spring Boot IO project and then you can select the project settings and project name. Here is a project type is a Gradle, Kotlin or Gradle Groovy or some Maven. Here I select Maven and language Kotlin, Groovy and Java. Select Spring Boot version 2.7.14. Here's the project name and other details. Here I set the project name start coding with kids and so name is okay and artifact here I set the kids and demo project for Spring Boot. Here I set the demo project for Spring Boot coding with it. And then you can select the packaging types Java, WA. Here I select the WA and Java version 2017 11 as here set the 8. So everything is okay. And then we can move to the dependency part. It's the main thing to the build project. Here add dependencies. Here I add the Spring Boot Dev Tools and add another one. Spring Boot, add another one. You can't find the scroll down. You can select here to type H2 database. Yeah, H2 database means the connecting the database, our application. Some dependencies you think you didn't want to hear projects, you can simply click the red button. Yes, and here you can then add again. Everything is project setup is okay. Now generate the project. We can see the download. Yes, downloading complete git zip file and then go to the file and copy this and move to our folders. Yes, here is a place the project. This is a zip file for all the dependencies and project setup at and extract here. Yes, our project file is here. Now we are going to start the project. Our developer ID file, then open. So how to select? So my path select, learning coding, and our project name. Okay, select the kids project and then select the OK. Trust and Maven project. Yes, trust. Open new window. Yes, now project is opening the new window. It will take a little bit time. Yes, project is open. Now project is there. So folders here is a source folder. Main our main Java application is here. It's okay and resource file there. Application properties. We can configure the application properties here and main part of the Maven project is form XML. As here include all our add dependencies here and versions. Select versions. Our Java version here. We set the Java project name here. Yes. So description of project area added here is added Spring Boot dependencies, dev tools, S2 database, Spring Boot web, everything is here. Everything is fine. Now we are want to check the our project is running properly. Yes, it's a main class. Every Java project is starting the main class. And here I print some description to check whether our project is going to work properly. Java print code line is system.out.println, and I here type welcome to the coding with its channel. Yes. Now you can select the tab terminal button. Yes. So terminal is there. Now you can build our project. It's a good practice for the terminal building for the beginners. Maven clean package install and enter. Now project is building. Yes, project successfully built. Now you can run the project. Maven springboot. Yes, now project is running. Yes, project is started and port is 8080. Now print our output. Yes, welcome to the coding with kids channel. Everything is okay. Here now you want to stop the running. Okay, press Ctrl C. Terminate the batch of yes. Meanwhile, everything is okay. Okay. Then you can run same project with the start project run button here. Click the run button. Yes. Project is building and Spring Boot is starting. Project is runs. It's a simple way, but I recommend best to the practice with the command line. And then you can stop. Yes. Thank you for the watching the initialization project descriptions. We will meet next video of the setuping new thing, how to code with kids. Thank you for everyone.